Give me just 6 minutes and I'm going to change your view. How YouTube can work for you. How did a site for cat videos become the most powerful platform on Earth? And more importantly, could it do the same for you? But 19 years ago, it was just 3 guys and an elephant. This website created more millionaires, saved more lives, and changed more careers than Harvard, Hollywood, and Wall Street combined. This is the story of how YouTube changed everything and why your life will never be the same.
Guys, it's that they have really.
In 2005, Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and Jawed Karim, 3 PayPal rejects, built a site to share cat videos. But here's the twist. Google laughed at their $1.6 billion price tag. A year later, they paid it.
Google will pay $1.6 billion to gobble up YouTube.
YouTube's first viral star wasn't a person. It was a dancing baby. This 56-second clip made a British toddler more famous than most Hollywood stars. And it was just the beginning. But what no one saw coming was how this dancing baby would spark a revolution that would change the world forever. And it all started with a construction worker's thermos. Before Mr. Beast, there was Smosh, 2 teams making parodies in their garage. By 2010, they were earning $8 million a year. Michelle Phan turned makeup tutorials into a $500 million empire. And Ray William Johnson? He proved you could get rich just by talking to a camera. YouTube's algorithm changed the game. It wasn't about luck anymore, it was science. Channels like T-Series, 285 million subs, and Coco Melon, $23 million per year, used it to dominate. But one man fought back. PewDiePie's Bro Army versus India's biggest music label, a battle that proved YouTube is war. Today's YouTubers aren't just creators, they're CEOs. Mr. Beast built a $500 million empire by giving away millions. A 12-year-old reviewing toys made $32 million in a year. And Emma Chamberlain turned awkward vlogs into a lifestyle empire worth $20 million. But let me tell you, behind every success story lies a dark secret. One that almost destroyed YouTube itself. Nonetheless, for every success story, there's a graveyard of failed channels. In 2017, YouTube declared war on its own creators. The apocalypse wiped out incomes overnight. One day you're making $10,000 a month. The next, you're erased. Creators like Liza Koshy and Lily Singh quit YouTube for Hollywood. Others like Bo Burnham turned their trauma into Netflix specials. But the smart ones adapted. They stopped chasing views and started building empires. And guess what? Just when it seemed like YouTube had reached its peak, it became something even bigger.
My first 500 videos didn't deserve to get 1 million views. Like, there's a reason they did. They were terrible. But at the time, I thought they did. I'm in the mindset of a lot of small YouTubers where I thought those videos deserved 1 million views and I thought the algorithm hated me. But I watch them back now and I
Something no one could have predicted. The classroom of 2 billion. YouTube isn't just entertainment. It's the world's biggest school. Sal Khan taught math to 150 million kids for free. Vsauce made philosophy go viral. And a farmer in Kenya learned crop techniques from a YouTuber in Iowa. This platform didn't just change careers, it changed history. Activists used it to topple dictators. Greta Thunberg sparked a global climate movement.
I shouldn't be up
and Mr.
here.
Beast planted 25 million trees because his fans asked him to. The rise of global voices. YouTube isn't just America. A Senegalese Italian immigrant became the most followed African creator without saying a word. A Spaniard out-earned his country's soccer stars. And an Indian teenager's roast of PUBG got him 20 million subs in a month. But here's the real question. What does it take to win on YouTube in 2025? And more importantly, can you do it? Rule number 1, embrace the chaos. Forget Hollywood polish. In 2025, YouTube rewards raw, ridiculous, and real.
I think I love you too.
Rule number 2. Community equals to currency. The biggest creators don't have fans, they have armies. Mr. Beast's followers funded a forest. Dream hid his face for years. Rule number 3. Fail fast, fail loud. Belle Delphine sold her bathwater for $30,000. A guy proposed to a girl in a Walmart and got 50 million views. On YouTube, failure is content.
On YouTube, failure is content.
YouTube's secret? It's not about the 1% of superstars, it's about the 99% of you, the ones hitting upload today. The next 100 million subscribers channel starts now. Will it be yours? Hit the like button if you believe in YouTube's power. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this and subscribe to join the revolution. Your video could be next because YouTube isn't just changing lives. It could change yours too.
This could change your